Surprising not to tell you.
Right, now what you can do, you're going to close your eyes. And you better keep that one for your eyes. Hold it to your eyes. Oh, you put it under your...
If I get COVID eye now. Scared of my standing.
No, you're not. Right, turn round, take your backpack off. Keep those eyes closed, better keep them closed, take the backpack off. That was you.
Oh my god, I feel so much lighter.
Right, okay.
You're a bit just doused in tarn feathers.
3, 2, 1. Open.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, I love it. It's amazing. Oh, I love the love.
Go have a look.
Lie down, you know.
Yeah, like that.
I've been lying on the floor.
Oh, it's beautiful. Loving these.
Look at that, what she's done.
She's done more for us
Yeah.
on the arch.
No, it looks amazing. Love all the uplighting as well.
We'll talk about it in a minute. What do you think?
Awesome. Amazing. Love it. You happy?
You happy?
Yeah, of course I am. If you're happy, I'm happy.
Happy wife, happy life.
That's it.
Is it not in the wrong way? It's in the wrong way.
You would think to start it.
Well, I would just start to take these flowers. Because you have a cake one coming.
Is that it in the middle? No, dear. That's it in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
You're no straight, babe. What you doing, right, babes?
I don't know what I'm doing, mate. I'm just filming what you're going to run.
It's huge, isn't it?
Is it going to go right down there? You might have to pull it up a bit.
I'm going with the line. See
I'm saying you might have to pull it up a wee bit.
Aye.
Yep.
Oh.
Hello?
Oh, that's amazing.
Is it perfect?
Hand open.
Oh my god.
Look at the name.
Oh my god.
It's beautiful.
It's so beautiful. Oh my god.
It's fine with the vinyl. Shane, it's vinyl's no paper.
No, but that,
They're a graphic design company.
oh, that's amazing.
What's wrong with it?
everyone. We are here getting the room ready.
Don't show them too much.
I'm not showing too much, but they're going to see it anyway after the wedding. But we are here doing the rose petals. Bickering away and how they're going to look, where they're going to go, what's the swirls going to look like. Yeah, so do you want to tell the guys how many rose petals we have?
I can tell you now. So I have put it on Instagram. A lot of people have commented, thank you so much. I've not managed to share everybody's because I've had that many and it's been that busy, but
Busy.
guys, right now, remember this was the bag. I showed you all the little windows
That's
and
it,
packets.
that's the bag right there.
Now, comment below how many you think is going to be here today
And we will let you know at the end.
at the end.
Of
So,
this
comment below. This is the
decorating
bag,
room
my
vlog.
Disney bag that Shane got me to put all my rose petals in.
Yeah.
So yeah, comment below right now.
Right now. Yeah. She's
Everyone, I'm a bride to be. I'm getting married tomorrow.
Bridezilla.
Bridezilla.
Bridezilla, everyone. Yeah, so we're getting there. We're definitely getting there.
It is 10 past 10 at night.
It's 10 past 10 at night. Looks like I might be getting married like this in jeans, tee, and
So
some white
keep in
socks
mind
because we might not
it's
even
2 hours
leave.
until I have to be away. I cannot see Shane.
So guys, this is the end of our decoration of the room.
I know, I can't believe it. It's so beautiful and the time is flying by. It is now 11:30. I've only got half an hour left with you.
I'm
Well,
baking.
29 minutes because it can't go. It needs to be a minute before midnight.
I'm baking. It's like an oven in here.
Sorry guys, you've not seen everything yet, but we want to wait because we want you to have the big reveal and oh my god, you know what, it's better than that I could ever have thought, and a big thank you to my mum and dad because it wouldn't be like this if they didn't do it.
Massive thank you. So guys, this is the end of this vlog, unfortunately, but we'll be back soon with more.
I know, stay tuned guys, and remember we have got our big move to Orlando coming soon.
don't forget to smash that subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Please give us a big thumbs up if you are enjoying all our wedding vlogs and theme park vlogs.
Yeah, so all we can really say now, guys, is TikTok.
Gotta go.
Gotta go Orlando, guys. Bye.